One more thing that I remembered I wanted to show you guys. This is another nice and easy technique if you practice it, and that's working with two balisongs. So I talked in my other video about offhand proficiency, about building the dexterity in your non-dominant hand, which is always good. The other side of that is that you can start to work with two at once. So you've got your horizontal openings, vertical openings, you can do machine guns, start working on staggering your openings, so there's a couple different things going on at once. Spins, finger spins, that's another one I didn't go over. Finger spins. Okay, I'm going to go over that real quick and edit it in. So, finger spins. You got your closed balisong. You're going to drop it, let it swing over, let it miss your fingers, so it's draped over your index finger. And the momentum is going to let it rotate around. You're going to catch the safe handle, ricochet, and come back. I like to add another ricochet because it looks flashy, and I actually find it easier. So you got that ricochet, and then I like to do a ricochet there, catch it. Practiced it, it looks flashy. You can add it into any kind of routine. You can do it open, you can do it closed. There you go. Finger spin. Good luck, have fun, be safe.